Superfood Science. This was a free sample, and let me tell you why I love it. This is one of my favorite supplements that I take in my morning routine. So it is Vitality Rescue, and it's turmeric, curcumin, tuna oil, black pepper extract. So this encourages good things for you, for different things like joint, muscles, cardiovasculars, cellular, antioxidant activity, anti-inflammatory. This is how they look. So you will take one of these a day. This supply is enough for 1 month, so there's 30 inside. And they're very easy to swallow. You just swallow it. I swallow it with water, and I like to take it in the morning, but you can also check them out and see if this is right for you. But if you're planning to get something, a good supplement for you to add into your vitamin routine, I will definitely check this one out.